controversial topic, capable of shaking beliefs, stirring passion, and affecting everyone's wallet. On one side is the quest for wealth, a path to independence and financial prosperity. On the other is marriage, a commitment of mutual support and shared financial challenges. The decision between getting rich and then marrying, or marrying and then getting rich involves values, priorities, and individual goals. Both paths have their advantages and challenges, and the choice depends on each person's circumstances and objectives. But how to choose the best option for your case? A heated debate always arises, with sharp questions within this theme. Should the heart follow the paths of prosperity before engaging in a marital commitment? Or is it wiser to bet on marriage, building and realizing financial dreams side by side? Among passionate opinions, value conflicts, and the challenge of balancing love and money, the journey promises to be tumultuous or not. After all, who said choosing between the heart and wealth would be a smooth journey? The paths sometimes seem uncertain and provocative on this topic, with burning reflections in the chest and exploding hormones. Neurotransmitters in the brain try to rationalize the best decision, while others are guided purely by their emotions. The answer may not be easy, but it is certainly an irresistible invitation to know the options on these controversial paths. What did the wisest and richest man on earth say about this topic? In one of his books, in part 27, he says, "Prepare your work outside, get everything ready for yourself in the field, and after that, build your house." This is advice given over 3,000 years ago, but many manage to do it differently. They can prosper even within a marital alliance. There are many cases of couples who overcame hardships by working together towards a single goal: to become rich. An example of this is the case of Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook, and Priscilla Chan. They met while they were students at Harvard University. Their relationship began before Facebook became the social media giant we know today, with Zuckerberg still working on the site's development. Facebook was launched in 2004, and over the years it became one of the largest social networks in the world. Mark Zuckerberg played a crucial role in the company's success, turning it into a global platform with billions of users. The couple met in 2003, a year before the launch. Mark and Priscilla married in an intimate ceremony in 2012 in their backyard in Palo Alto, California, a day after the company's IPO, symbolizing a significant phase in their personal and professional lives. The story of Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan highlights how a relationship can evolve from college days to achieving financial success and becoming a catalyst for mutual growth. Jay-Z, a rapper and businessman, and Beyoncé met in 1999 when both were rising stars in the music industry. In 2002, Jay-Z and Beyoncé released their first music video together, Crazy in Love, which was an instant hit, cementing their status as a power couple in the music industry. It was also the first time they publicly acknowledged their relationship. In 2008, Jay-Z proposed to Beyoncé with an 18-karat diamond ring. They married in a secret ceremony in April 2008. The couple kept wedding details private, later revealing that they had a small and intimate ceremony with close friends and family. Besides their individual music careers, Beyoncé and Jay-Z are involved in business ventures. They co-own a fashion brand and have stakes in several companies, including a music streaming service. Beyoncé and Jay-Z are an example of a couple who not only built a solid personal life, but also merged their talents and resources to create a powerful joint brand in the entertainment and business world, successfully balancing family life with professional endeavors. Flávio Augusto da Silva, who founded WiseUp, an English school for adults in Brazil that grew into a network with 500 units, and was once the owner of the Orlando City soccer team, among other businesses, also met his wife early. During their partnership, he became a billionaire. Another Brazilian billionaire who met his future wife early and was not rich at the beginning of their partnership is Pablo Markel. Involved in various businesses from digital to physical, he strongly emphasizes the importance of marriage for a man's prosperity. However, in most cases, we see people in relationships, often full of doubts, who do not become rich and even end up in debt. Why does this happen? Lack of knowledge. Marriage is essentially a long-term partnership, and most people, influenced by Hollywood movies, think marriage is sustained only by love. In practice, this doesn't seem to happen, as money is currently the main reason for divorces. How to navigate both paths with rationality and responsibility. What to do to get rich and then marry. 1. Achieve financial independence. Pursuing financial independence before marriage. Seeking financial independence before marriage is a crucial step toward gaining autonomy and freedom. This approach not only enhances your ability to make independent financial decisions, but also provides the confidence needed to build a solid partnership in the future. Increasing autonomy. Achieving financial independence means having control over your own finances. This control allows you to make informed and strategic decisions without relying on others. Imagine being able to decide on investments, necessary purchases, or travel plans without needing anyone's approval. Financial autonomy is a fundamental pillar for building a fulfilling and satisfactory life. Benefits of financial autonomy. Independent decisions. You gain the ability to make significant financial decisions on your own, whether it's regarding investments, purchasing property, or managing debt. Confidence and security. Financial independence boosts your self-confidence and provides a sense of security about the future. You know that, regardless of circumstances, you can support yourself and achieve your goals. Lifestyle flexibility. With financial autonomy, you have the freedom to choose your lifestyle. This might include the option to change careers, travel, or even take a sabbatical without financial worries. Seeking financial independence before marriage greatly contributes to building a solid foundation in all aspects of life. This continuous growth in personal finances not only strengthens economic stability but also positively impacts emotional well-being. By consolidating your finances, you prepare yourself to face any future financial challenges, creating a safety net that can protect you against unexpected crises. Financial independence allows you to plan and save for the future, including buying a house, funding children's education, and retirement. Financial security reduces stress and anxiety related to money, promoting a more tranquil and balanced state of mind. This is a key element for entering a marriage with a clear mind and a light heart. Entering a marriage with financial independence offers a solid foundation for building a lasting partnership. When both partners bring financial security into the relationship, there is less stress and more focus on building a life together. Financial independence for both partners promotes transparency and trust, essential for a healthy relationship. With a solid financial base, it's easier to make joint plans for the future, such as buying a house, having children, or planning retirement. Couples who enter marriage with financial independence are better equipped to handle financial crises together, strengthening their bond and overcoming challenges collaboratively. Seeking financial independence before marriage is not just about money but about autonomy, freedom, and security. This path allows you to make independent financial decisions, build a solid foundation for the future, and enter marriage with confidence and stability. Financial autonomy is the key to a fulfilling life and a strong relationship, where both partners can grow together, supporting each other through all phases of life. 2. Building wealth. Strategic investments focused on wealth building before marriage. Having strategic investments aimed at wealth creation before marriage is a powerful approach that not only enhances financial security but also opens doors to explore various business opportunities, real estate, and other investments. This solid financial preparation can result in a substantial net worth based on the metrics of the developed plan, providing a stable foundation for the future couple. Strategic investing before marriage. Investing strategically before marriage is a significant step toward creating lasting wealth. This includes identifying and seizing promising business opportunities, acquiring appreciated real estate, and diversifying investment portfolios to maximize returns and hedge against inflation. What are the benefits of strategic investments? Portfolio diversification, investing in different sectors and asset classes, such as cryptocurrencies, stocks, real estate, and mutual funds, minimizes risks and maximizes returns. Diversification is key to long-term financial stability. Business opportunities. Having available capital allows for exploring profitable business opportunities, whether through entrepreneurship or investing in promising startups. This can lead to multiple income streams. Real estate appreciation. Investing in real estate can generate passive income through rentals and increase net worth as the real estate market appreciates over time. Financial security. Building a robust investment portfolio before marriage provides a financial safety net, protecting against economic uncertainties and unexpected crises. Building wealth before marriage also allows for long-term planning, which is essential for continued financial success. When the couple joins forces, working together to set ambitious financial goals and develop new strategies to achieve them becomes a more structured and efficient process. Elements of long-term planning. Setting financial goals. Establishing clear, specific financial objectives, such as buying a home, funding children's education, or ensuring a comfortable retirement, guides investment decisions and savings. Developing strategies. Creating financial strategies to achieve these goals involves detailed budgeting, smart resource allocation, and regular progress reviews. Teamwork. Working together as a couple to achieve financial goals strengthens the relationship and promotes a collaborative approach to economic decision-making. This includes dividing responsibilities and supporting each other during financial challenges. Adjustments and adaptations. Long-term financial planning should be flexible enough to adjust to life changes, such as career shifts, having children, or economic fluctuations. Regularly reviewing and adapting the plan ensures it remains relevant and effective. Strategically investing and planning wealth accumulation before marriage shapes a prudent and visionary individual. This not only provides personal financial security but also establishes a solid foundation for a couple's future. By exploring business opportunities, diversifying investments, and developing a long-term financial plan, you create an environment conducive to continuous and sustainable wealth growth. With a robust portfolio and clear financial goals, the couple can face the future with confidence, prepared to achieve their financial dreams and aspirations together. 3. Less financial pressure. Creating a financial thermometer reduces the pressure on the future relationship. Aligning the type of partner you want by their financial thermostat will significantly reduce future frustrations related to finances. The couple can focus on building their life together without constant financial worries, creating a financial alignment that serves as a basis for decisions. This way, partners can concentrate on emotional growth and relationship development without frequent distractions related to financial problems. Seeking financial independence before marriage not only strengthens the individual but also establishes a firm foundation for a shared life. It provides the freedom to build a solid financial future while simultaneously strengthening the relationship's foundations to face challenges together and resiliently. The second path is for those who are already married or want to marry without considerable wealth but still wish to become wealthy. What to do to get married and get rich? 1. Mutual support. Partnership in marriage offers a unique opportunity to build solid wealth, not just emotionally but financially as well. However, it is important to make it clear that achieving this success requires a well-thought-out plan and viewing marriage as a sort of business, in addition to its sentimental aspect. When treating marriage as a business, both partners should actively participate in creating financial strategies to achieve common goals. Start with strategic planning. Define clear financial goals and develop a detailed plan to achieve them. This might include buying a home, diversifying investments, or planning for retirement without relying on government aid. Responsibility division. Determine who will handle different financial aspects, such as paying bills, investing in assets, and monitoring the budget. A fair division of tasks ensures both partners are equally committed. Monitoring and evaluation. Conduct periodic financial reviews to ensure the couple is on track to meet their goals. Adjustments may be necessary to adapt to life and market changes. Strengthening bonds through mutual support. Including your partner in financial strategy development not only strengthens the couple's financial solidity, but also tightens the relationship bonds. Mutual support is crucial for joint financial success. Open communication. Maintain transparent communication about financial matters, including spending, savings, and investments. This prevents misunderstandings and fosters trust. Joint decision-making. Involve both partners in significant financial decisions to ensure they both feel valued and responsible for the success of the financial plan. Setting common goals. Working together to achieve goals such as buying a house, investing, or planning for retirement creates a shared sense of purpose, strengthening the union. Financial resilience in love. The ability to face economic challenges as a team strengthens the partnership in marriage. Crisis preparation. Create an emergency fund to handle unexpected financial issues, such as job loss or unforeseen medical expenses. Being prepared for crises prevents financial and emotional stress. Emotional support. During tough times, emotional support is as crucial as financial support. Being there for your partner, offering encouragement and understanding, helps face challenges more effectively. Flexibility and adaptation. Be flexible and willing to adjust the financial plan as needed to accommodate life changes. This includes revising the budget, reallocating investments, or adjusting financial goals. Marriage offers a unique opportunity to build solid wealth, but it requires a well-thought-out plan, viewing marriage as a type of business. Mutual support in creating financial strategies strengthens relationship bonds and enables the couple to achieve goals like buying a house, investing, and planning for retirement. Financial resilience, facing challenges as a team, is essential for strengthening the couple, with emotional support during difficult times being as crucial as financial support. With a strategic and collaborative approach, the couple can build a prosperous financial future and a strong, enduring relationship. 2. Sharing responsibilities. Efficient management and the decision to merge finances simplify managing daily expenses, bills, and budgeting. Sharing financial responsibilities increases efficiency and allows the couple to make joint decisions about investments and expenses. Joint wealth building. Start when both partners work together to achieve planned financial goals, such as investing in children's education or starting a new business. Over time, these decisions strengthen the bond and build trust. 3. Personal fulfillment. Value in experiences. For some, wealth isn't just about bank account figures, but about shared life experiences. Building a life rich in significant moments, such as travel, events, and mutual achievements, can be a valuable form of personal enrichment. Happiness in the present. Choosing to marry and build wealth simultaneously allows the couple to enjoy the rewards of marriage while working towards long-term financial targets. Open communication. The key to success in various areas is open communication. Discussing financial goals, values, and expectations from the start is crucial to avoid future conflicts. Finding a healthy balance between building wealth and investing in the relationship is essential. Both objectives can be achieved intelligently, rationally, and adaptively. Recognizing flexibility in financial and relationship choices is vital. Circumstances change, and being willing to adjust plans is a valuable trait. Remember, when starting any relationship, discretion and caution are wise. An old secret is that revealing your financial status to anyone, especially potential partners, should be avoided. However, you may choose not to follow this, and it's up to you. Ultimately, the choice between getting rich and marrying, or marrying and getting rich, is a personal decision. Both approaches offer unique opportunities and challenges, and the final decision should reflect each couple's values and goals. Thank you for joining me. Please like and comment below with your opinion on the topic, and I'll see you in the next video.